Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So I'm back with another Vscode tip. So I have this line, so I just want to duplicate this line, so I don't need to type the whole input, type id and whatever. So you can just use this trick for every line you type. So if you have the similar type of line in the next line also, so you can just use the shortcut key to duplicate that. So to duplicate this, so we can just use shift alt and down arrow in the windows. So I am using Mac, so I will just type shift option and down arrow. So just type shift option and down arrow, so this will duplicate the line. So you can see, so this has duplicated the multiple lines. So now we can just change this into something like email. So you can just change according to the preference. So you can see, so this has been changed, so this will duplicate the whole line into the next line. So you can just use shift option and down arrow, or you can also use the shift option and up arrow also. So this will duplicate the down, so the bottom one, so this will duplicate the previous one. So this is how you duplicate the line in VS Code. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.